In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your text to TikTok thumbnails. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app. Once you have opened up your TikTok app, click on the plus icon and upload whatever video you wanted to upload. Click on next, and at the top right you see select cover. You want to click on that, and basically you have cover and add text. You just click on it, click inside, and you write whatever you want. You can size it, resize it, flip it around. You can do whatever. You can even change the designs by going through these options, or of course you can remove them once you are done. If I just want this and I click on save, as you can see, that is my cover, and you see like a preview at the top right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this did help you out, let me know in the comments below.